Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to unbox or unboxing this Nordic ceiling lights. We are going to unbox, assemble, and install this product. So let's see later on how process to assemble these ceiling lights. I acquired these Nordic ceiling lights through online shopping. It is cost less than 600 pesos. But the bulb is already free. There's a 6 bulbs. LED bulb is already free. I already started unboxing, and I'll let us check one by one if the products are all in good condition, no damage, no breakage. So let's see one by one. So I started with a LED bulb. It's 6 pieces. It's all I think it's all complete, and it's all in a good condition. Next, it seems a metal plate, the holder, and this one is the metal like a metal studs with the bulb head. All items is complete in a good conditions. So I got this unit without manual. So, but I think it's so easy to assemble these products. So let us see. I'll show you how to assemble this product later on. So now I'm going to unwrap this metal thing with a combination of black and gold. It's made of metal. This product is made of metal, so it's quite good, no? It's quite good, and it's look elegant also, and the combination color of white and gold. So as you can see, there's a wire, and there's an attachment. The metal, just like a metal, the black one it's metal, made of metal. And yeah, only we have to connect by just like a screwing by using our hands. Yeah, it's so very easy to assemble this. So just put together these two metal, and then just push clockwise until it will be tightened. Though without a manual, I'm no for sure, guys, you can do this because it's easy to follow. It's only a few things to just to connect this product, so it's so easy. I know, guys, you can do it. Now I'm going to attach one by one the metal parts, and then the metal studs I put inside the metal stud the wire, as you see on the screen. The head bulb is 6 pieces, so I have 3, and then one metal holding 2 bulbs, and it is a metal plate for we use this for hanging. This metal thing is for just to hang on the wall whenever we will assemble or we install. So this is for the holder of the lamp. So the screws are all complete. The nuts and bolts are all completed. The wiring has 2 codes. there's a blue wiring and there's a brown wiring. So we need to put all together the blue wiring and all the brown wiring. So it means the blue and the brown, it means that one is the negative and the other one is positive. So guys, reminders, so if you don't have knowledge with electricity, so please better ask the assistant, ask the electricians to assist you for this wiring for your safety. This ceiling lights you can put wherever you want. It could be in your living room, bedroom, in your dining area, or in your kitchen. It's so very beautiful. Now I'm gather or I'm putting all together the wiring, all blue, all brown. So we have to separate it according to their color. So all blue must be 1 and all brown must be 1. And now I'm putting the LED bulb one by one. So it's almost complete. By the way guys, the wire and the plug is not included. So I have an extra plug with wire, so I will use it for this project. So I'm going to insert this wire to put on our wiring. So the one wiring is go to the blue one, and the other wire is go to the brown wiring. Now the end of the wiring, I'll put the electric tape for safety. So I'll put the electric tape.
A few moments later.
Friends, here our final product, our Nordic ceiling lights. Isn't beautiful? Isn't elegant? So beautiful guys. So I hope guys you learned something new from this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. As always, take care. Goodbye.